Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw mother long legs. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with mother long legs from the new Godzilla Monarch series, let's begin by drawing the face. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to begin by making an eye like this. And then I'll leave a little bit of space and I'm going to make another eye right here. Next, I'm going to draw a smaller eye here and a smaller eye here. Next, I'm going to curve two lines that come in and then out. Then I'll put a little sad face on the end of each one. And then I'm going to curve each of these lines up. Then I'm going to make a little curve point on each end. Next, on the outside, I'm going to draw a longer curve on each end. I'll make a line that curves up and then comes back, and then same thing here, up and then comes back. Then I'm going to curve this down and this down. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to go up. It's going to come out again and then back. And then I'm just going to curve a line around here. Then I'm going to make two little bumps right above the eyes. And I'll connect a little line right in there. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes out and in on each side. And then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to come up, down, and then back in. Then I'm going to go out, down, and in. And then same thing here. Let's go out, down, and in. I'll do another one that goes out and down, and then one more here. We're going to go out and down, just kind of show where the legs will start. Now, right here there's going to be two arms coming out. So let's begin by drawing a line that goes down. It's going to come over and then back up. Same thing here. We're going to go down, over, and then back up. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And then same thing here. Let's bring it down. I'm going to curve this line down, over, and up. And then same thing here. We're going to come down, we're going to go over, and then up. Next, I'm going to make a couple little points right here. And then same thing here. A couple little points. I'll make a line that's going to come down and then up to here with a nice point. So we come down to a point and then bring it up. I'm going to make a little point here and then a little point right here. Now, let's work on some of the big legs. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. It's going to go down and then back in. Then I'm going to bring this out. We'll come over and then bring it down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, over, and then up. Then I'll make this one come down, over, and then up. And then we'll come down to a point and back up. We want these legs to kind of look like bamboo. Now let's make another one. This one I'm going to go up come down and in. Then I'm going to make this one come out a little farther, come down, and then here. I'm going to make this come down, over, and then up. We'll go down, over, and up, and then end it with a little point. Next, right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to go down and then back. I'm going to come over, down, and then back. I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to jump over all of these. We're going to come over and then back up. I'm going to bring this line down, over, and up, and then one more little point. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. We'll go down and back in. I'm going to bring this one down. We'll come down here and then bring it back as we jump over that leg. I'll bring this one down, come over and then up. Bring this over and up here and then down here. Now let's do the legs over here. So on this one, I'm going to bring this up. We'll make that little curve and then come back. We'll bring it out a little farther, do the same thing and come back. We'll make this go down, over, and then up. Make another little shape here, and then end it off with a point. Right here, let's go up, bring this down and in. Bring this one down and over. Bring it here. I want to bring this down, over, and then up. Make the same shape here, and then a little point. Next, I'm going to make this come up. We're going to go down and in. Go over, make that shape again. Come down and up here. Make another little shape, and then a little point here. Now the last leg, let's bring this up, down, and in. Bring these two lines down here, and then we'll bring them here. Down, over, and up. Down, over, and up, and then down here. Now, for the final part, we want to make the back of the body. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start here by the legs, and I'm going to make kind of like a little pointed line that jumps over the legs, and then it's just going to come up here. Same thing here. I'm just going to start up here. I'm going to make it jump between the legs and come up to a point right there. Then I'm going to make some long kind of little like broken lines right along the back here just to kind of add some texture, and I'll even put some right along the back of the body here. And then I'm just going to add a few little broken lines down each of the legs, just to kind of give it a little bit of texture, make it look like some of that bamboo, because that's kind of how the mother longlegs hunts. It kind of camouflages to look like bamboo. We can even put some on these right here. A few curved lines on the claws. And then kind of do the same thing over here. I just like to do little broken lines. Just kind of all along here. And then I'll add just a couple little curved lines right along the back here for some detail. And there you go, there's your drawing of the mother longlegs. It's kind of like a spider and crab combo, definitely a creepy looking titan. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.